Have you ever tried drilling a square hole and ended up with a messy, uneven cut? Frustrating, right? Well, you are not alone. Drilling a square hole can be tricky, but with the right tools and techniques, it's actually quite simple. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. In this video, I will show you step by step how to drill a perfectly square hole every time. Tools and materials we need. First things first, let's gather the tools and materials we need. You will need a drill with a square drill bit, a piece of wood, measuring tape, pencil, and some clamps to hold the wood in place. Make sure your drill bit is the same size as the square hole you want to create. Step 1. Measuring and marking. Now that we have our tools ready, it's time to measure and mark out wood. Using the measuring tape and pencil, mark the four corners of the square on the wood. Make sure your measurements are accurate and your lines are straight. Step 2. Clamping and drilling. Once you have marked your wood, it's time to clamp it down securely. This will prevent the wood from moving while you drill. Now, using the square drill bit, carefully drill a hole at each of the four corners you have marked. Make sure you drill straight down and apply steady pressure. Step 3. Connecting the dots. Now that you have your four holes, it's time to connect the dots. Use your drill to carefully connect the holes by drilling along the lines you have marked. Take your time and make sure your drill bit is following the lines as closely as possible. Step 4. Finishing touches. Once you have drilled your square hole, it's time to do some finishing touches. Sand down the edges of the hole to make it smooth and even. You can also apply some wood glue to reinforce the edges of the hole. And there you have it. Perfectly drilled square hole. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you want to learn more about drilling techniques, check out our video on how to drill stainless steel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching.